Welcome to another top 5 niches of the week, episode 57. So, without further ado, let's get straight right into the niches. Before we get right into niches, I just want to quickly announce that we'll also be doing deleted designs, taking a look at the designs that have been deleted, including upcoming holidays, because it's important that you know the holidays that are upcoming so we can prepare for them. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Niche number one, guys, is this February 2nd, 2022. I've made a tutorial about how to design like this, and it's very easy. I use a tool on Creative Fabrica. If you're interested in that tutorial, let me know in the comment section below and I will link you to the video. So it's very easy to create a unique design like this, and like I said before, I've done it in a tutorial. This design is doing quite well. It's all about the February 2nd, 2022 niche, an event that comes once in a lifetime. So many people want a souvenir that they want to remember, and this is this t-shirt design that many people are purchasing, and the reason is because the design is unique. And let's take a look at the design. Look at this, guys. Overall trend is up, current trend is up, and the BSR, look at this, it's just that just dropped from here, and it has just maintained a steady pace. And that's our first niche. Actually, we have a couple of other designs I want to show you. The next design is this one right here, the February 2nd, 2022 niche. And some people are sub niching into the second grade. Yeah, this one is the sub niche second grade on Tuesday 2022, Tuesday February 2022. And not only is it a sub niche into the second grade, there's this popping, like pop it, making designs about, and this niche encompasses everything, the pop it, the second grade, sub niche, and all the like. So this one too is doing quite well. No reviews yet. That shows you how many people are purchasing it. They've never had time to leave reviews. And look at this, overall trend is up. Look at the base, I just fell down there, increased, fell again, it has stayed right here. And our next niche is Valentine's Day niche. The reason why I chose this design is because it's quite different from the other ones in the sense that it is sub niche with basketball. So those who are basketball lovers and want a t-shirt design about Valentine's Day will likely buy this shirt. So that is the reason why I chose this niche. And we also have another one. Yes, this Valentine's Day shirt is also game for those who are game lovers. They also like this shirt because it's similar to Miss Pac-Man. Miss Pac-Man eating those dots, so it's similar to it. Funny design too. That's it for Valentine's Day niche. Oh, we have another one here. American football, mixed with the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl is quickly approaching, and this Valentine's Day mixed with Super Bowl, or mixed with a American football, as some people will call it, is a great sub niche, so that's why so many people are purchasing it. And look at this, guys, same thing, overall trend is up. I just fell down there, and the rest is history. So many people are loving this design. And next niche, Tiger of the Year, or Year of the Tiger. And I think it's February 1st that it begins, if I'm not mistaken. So this design has been selling for a bit. Price at $19.99. Wow, a healthy royalty there. 161 sales, 0 reviews. Let's take a look at the BSR2. Overall trend is up. And look at that, fell, and I just remained. It's even approaching one. So another Tiger of the Year design is this one, Kawaii Cat, Japanese black anime. It actually looks like a Tiger of the Year. They say cat, but a tiger is a cat. So anyway, but it's a cartoon version. And I was just amazed at these BSR, guys. Like, look at this, a sharp fall, sharp rise, sharp fall again. So I was not understanding if they were increasing the prices or what was making this sharp fall. Like, it's really sharp compared to the other ones like this, they just fall, then they just, but this one is quite different. That was what was happening here, like were they increasing the price, and overall trend or current trend is up. So but anyway, it has fallen, and it is right there at around 1, around 1 to 20. So the design is doing quite well, as you can tell, and it's priced at 1697. So except this is related to maybe an anime or something, a character anime, a character in anime, but except it's associated with that, if it is associated with that, I wouldn't recommend it. But if it's not associated with it, I will recommend it. So next niche, still related with the Super Bowl, we have this American football here, and 100 of them in relation to the 100 days of school. And look at this, the BSR2 overall trend is up, and it has fallen, like a sharp fall there, and it has just remained there, also doing quite well. Then we have oh yeah, this is what I was trying to explain when I was talking about the popping. So this is supposed to be with this. So the second grade, I was talking about the sub niche of popping, and this is it right here. So second grade is a sub niche, then popping itself is another niche. So that's what I was trying to explain. Anyway, that's the third design that I was in this niche, is 2nd February 2022. There are 3 designs. Yeah, I just misplaced it in between the other designs. I have so many designs that I'm showing you guys, but anyway, that is it. So I was talking about this 100 days of school, Super Bowl, American ball design. So I just finished with it, and now I'm talking about this one. So 100 days of school is a niche, but this sub niche is 101 days of school, related to the movie 101 Dalmatians, and it is a Dalmatian actually, with a school bag, a pencil, and a hat. So it is quite a funny design, unique too. Instead of 100 days of school, is 101 days of school smarter, and it says 101 days smarter. They have a 106 cross behind. It's a quite unique design, guys. And let's take a look at the BSR2. Overall trend is up. Look at that, it just fell. Why would it fall? It's a really unique design. So this is another one too, unique design. 101 days of school. You have the dimension pause there, and you scroll down to this one. Hasn't had time to have a review. Price of 15.99. And this one too, 101 days smarter. Dabbing, anything that has to do with dabbing is doing quite well too. Another one that has to do with dabbing is doing quite well, 101 days smarter. And the last, this is where I got the designs from, so I just put them over here, then started talking about it. But so we're going to move into the deleted designs. So guys, this is the deleted designs. It's a new feature on Flying Research. If you're also interested in Flying Research, there's a link in the description below, and you can use the code MondayOnline20 for a 20% discount. Everything is down in the description below. So this new feature, it says new year, is the deleted designs. I spoke about it a few weeks ago, and when you click deleted designs, you'll be brought to a page like this. This was removed yesterday, January 30th, and a bunch of designs that you have to be wary of to make sure that once you are designing, you don't write anything or make a design that is similar to this one. Johnny Wrestling, I don't know why this was removed or who it's related to. Maybe there's someone in wrestling called Johnny, and that's infringing on him. I'm just going to do a quick scroll so you guys can take a look at this. Names, guys. If you're making designs about names, I wouldn't recommend it, because you likely don't have the rights to make a design about someone's name, so anything related to names, I will really take a good search, make sure that another trademark. And on Flying Research too, you can search for names, search for trademarks. Just go there, here's a trademark search. So click on that. You go to scroll down to trademark here. Click on trademark and you click on trademark search, and you'll be brought to this. So it's very easy. Just enter a name that you want to search. Maybe it's Johnny that you want to search for. Just click search and you'll see. And the reason why I like it is because it brings all the search in all the offices, in the France office, US office, UK office, this worldwide, France again, US. So if you see Johnny like this and you see 25, you know it's trademark. You see just what I was saying. So this design right here, the Johnny design, let's scroll up. Oh, it was Jason, not Johnny. I thought I saw Johnny. Anyway, let's search for Jason. So come here, search for Jason. But it's the same thing, guys. If you search for it and you find a result like this and you see 25 there, Johnny like this and 25, that means it's trademark on clothing. Clothing is 25. You see, clothing 25. So I don't have to open it. And whenever I see 25, if I'm searching for books, and it's trademark for 16 is for, I'm sorry, 25 is for clothing, 16 is for books. So if you open this like this and you go down, you see books. So when I'm scrolling my eyes, I see 25. If I'm searching for t-shirt designs, I just stay away from that niche. So the last thing that I want to talk about is the upcoming holidays, huge holidays that we should focus on. We're already in the end of January, so February, first day of Black History Month, starts February 1st. We have Valentine's Day, President's Day is first day of Women's History. And the reason why I like using Flyer Research also is because it gives you the top designs in the niches. So the first niche, which begins tomorrow, is Black History Month, and you have this design. I've spoken about this one before. I've spoken about this one in various niches. If you want more inspiration, you click like this and you have them. So they're gonna bring all the top trending designs. So then you have you're gonna compare here, but I don't want to do this here. If you are interested in all the stats, you have keywords, Black History Month, African woman, Afro, these are the top trending keywords. But what I really want to talk about is these other e-commerce holidays. This is by Printful. If you're interested in it, let me know in the comment section below. And it gives you all the major e-commerce holidays in 2022. And for February, there's Groundhog Day, specifically in the US. Winter Olympics begin February 4th to the 20th. Then you have Chinese New Year. Oh, Chinese New Year is actually the 12th, huh? I actually thought it was like February 1st. Anyway, we have some time with those Chinese New Year designs. And we'll have Super Bowl the 13th, Valentine's Day 14th, Family Day the 21st. So they give you the date that these holidays are happening. Then you have the countries that are these holidays are predominantly very popular in. So Family Day is predominant in the in Canada. So you should be uploading your designs in the Canada marketplace and advertising it, because you advertise. The reason why I like this telling me exactly which countries these holidays are popular is because I will advertise in that marketplace, and that will help me get more sales. So this is it for February. The next holidays are March. I'm gonna read it in next upcoming top 5 niches of the day. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.